Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. If you allow me to finish quickly, we can see the rest of the remaining fights. I'll keep it very short. First of all, thank you for showing your support to South Pacific Boxing Promotions. And to all the viewers watching across Fiji and the world through the FBC pay-per-view, thank you very much. I'd like to acknowledge, you want to put that on? This only happens in Nadi. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me thank Mr. Mohammed Shamim. I'm sure he's watching us all the way from Canada. I'd like to thank him and, of course, my brother Freddie for bringing this up. And all our sponsors, FBC Sports Preview Channel, and all the families and friends who have made it to this event here. To all the boxers who've already had the events, I must congratulate you and your families for the support. Indeed, great entertainment, great sports, and great atmosphere for a nice Saturday evening. Coming back to the sports, ladies and gentlemen, boxing is something that I have seen grown over the years. In the last 3 years, I have been with the South Pacific Boxing Promotions in the last 3 events. We started off in Ba, then we went to Singatoka, and here we are with a wonderful crowd. And I must say thank you for that. To the Boxing Council and the Fiji Sports Commission, I think there's a lot of scope for these sports in Fiji, and we will need to work together to see how best we can uplift these sports. In my 3 last events, watching these things, something has come to my mind. I think it's high time we introduce boxing in schools. And of course, this is not only for the love of the sport. Boxing cuts across all spheres of life. Self-defense, it has to do with health, confidence building, and of course, that is the love for the sport is here in Fiji. And I hope in the next year or so, we will be able to launch our own sporting events in schools. I have seen great interest from sponsors to come on board, and that is something for our future. And to Freddie and the team, I know it's not been easy. You've been preparing for months, and we boxing fans eagerly await your next promotions, and I'm sure the support will be there. To the corporate sponsors, please keep supporting the sport. And like I said, the passion that we see in our people for the sport of boxing. It's a very dignified and a very honorable sport with its own rules. So to say that boxing promotes violence, I think it's undermining the sports. It does not. It promotes a whole range of things. And to the men present here today, remember, like I said, it's a competitive sport. With rates of violence in Fiji at a very high rate, let us not use boxing as violence against our people. Let us not teach our children that the sport of boxing sort of promotes violence, okay? So thank you very much. Please enjoy. I'm told my friend Joseph Quadjo is here somewhere. Joseph, unfortunately, you're missing the fight. You are there. All the best for the next fight. And the remaining fights, I'm sure, are cracker and power-packed. So I will leave you with that. Enjoy the rest of the fights and a safe journey back home. Thank you.